Continue. Password is 2366. Vruddhi, did you count the team Webex? Yeah. Okay, we're done the exercise. Right, so one is doing in my system, so that's why my sir. No problem, no problem. So now you have the freedom you can do. Because you are using my username, so that time my sir. What about one, Shruti? Ifan, Ivan? What about Vruddhi? Okay, very good. Sorry, no? No problem. Finally, whatever the data may be, the data will be changed. Not a problem. Yeah, exactly. So, let me see this. Shruti, you have to create, okay? Let me open that. Somebody make as a copy. So, each folder, I told you, we have 3 files. One is XLS file, SW of XLS. Open the XLS file. Open the XLS file. XLS file is nothing but it's a designed file. Open the designed file. Once you open any sample, first understand the spreadsheet data. Oh, what happened? Nothing is displayed. No problem. I have a backup. Extract here. S2R. So revenue forecast. So whenever you have opened the XLF file, first understand the spreadsheet data. For maximizing the spreadsheet, you can use this option, quick use option. There you can maximize the respective window. Show spreadsheet only. I have the revenue, bookings, deferred. 3 distinct categories. Revenue, bookings and deferred. Revenue and bookings and deferred, these are the services. We don't bother about services. Finally, we need the total and the target. These 2 rows only our input. We don't bother the services, how it is generating the total. Okay? That is my total value, target value. These 2 rows only our input. Show my workspace. See the output of this dashboard. Click on the preview. The above, can you see those are the spirometers generally, but here we are calling as gauge representation. And the bottom, we have the dials. In the dial, I am going to change the needle. What is happening in the gauge? The color is changing. Am I right? So to apply this color concept, nothing but you are highlighting the data in ready what we have. Highlighting the data what we have in ready. Anybody? Everybody forget. Very good. What is the elector? Conditional formatting. Forget it. So the same concept here, alert concept. In ready we are calling as alert. Here we are calling as alert concept. Okay. So if you open the home page window, just a normal home page window, we have the software sample to do the alert concept. If you go to the file menu, the software sample, there I have the alert concept. Click on OK. This is the sample given by the software. Here if you observe, Excel sheet, spreadsheet only. What data I have? North America revenue. I have the actual data. I have the target data. So here, in your conditional formatting, in your alert concept, we are comparing some value with the measure value with some target. The same concept. Here if I want to highlight, the actual value should be there. The target value should be there. Actual value, actual value is going to compare with the target value. Based on that, we are going to highlight the data. Okay. So, my workspace. Here, see the properties. After understanding the spreadsheet, go to the properties. What data has taken? Forget about the title. Data level. Not maximizing, okay. In the by series concept, please observe, only actual values are taken. We have two method values, we should add two series, but actual values only taken. Then where they have taken the target value, your last tab, nothing but alert concept. If you go there, alert tab, first we have to enable alert as a percentage of the target. So here we have to mention the target value. Click on the red arrow symbol. Then there I have to take the target values. And after giving the target values, here we have to mention your percentage. If I reach a minimum to 90% of my target, that should be red color. 90% to 100%, that should be yellow color. You can type your value, no problem. But they have taken 90% and 100%. And 100 values to maximum, that should be green color. If you observe your chart, Q1 and Q3 showing as a red color, then you can observe your data, actual data and target data in the Q1. For the Q1, my actual values are $14.22, but the target is 17.20. Is it less than 90% or above 90% of my target? Less than. That's the reason Q1 and Q3 both are showing as red color, and the Q2 and Q4, if you observe, my target is $17, but my actual value is $20. If I reach 100% to maximum, that should be green color. That's the reason showing as a green color. So generally we can use these three colors. If you want, you can change, no problem. That is the main purpose, highlighting the data. Okay. Yes, okay. So try to display now. We have only one actual value, right click there, properties. Forget about the title, directly come to the data, just take only one series using the plus symbol. If you want to add the name, you can add directly. If you want to take from spreadsheet, you can take from spreadsheet also. What is the name? The A4 cell. A4 cell. No. Only A4. Only A4 is enough. The values for y-axis. Now we have to view the values. What values? From B4 to up to E4. Use the shift button here. Click on OK. That is for y-axis data. Then what about x-axis? The last step we have the x-axis category labels. No. Within this, the bottom one. That is for y-axis and x-axis. This is for x-axis. What are those? B3 to E3. B3 to E3. Use the shift button. Click on it. Automatically, data has represented. For highlighting the data, then go to the last tab. Here, go to the alert tab. Click on the enable alert. As a percentage of the target, click on the red arrow symbol. No. We have to map the data first. The target data has to be mapped. Yeah. What data? From B5 to up to E5. Click on OK. Okay. So bottom you can give the percentage. You can type it and it will be changed automatically. Just give it as 90%. Just enter. Then 90 to 100. Double click 100. Just enter. Which will be changed. Yes. But what should be displayed? The higher value should be displayed as a green color. So to switch the colors, the main color, make it as a high value should be good. The radio button automatically. The green color switch to the higher value. Okay. Yes, completed. See the output. Then data has represented actual value. Actual value compared with the target value. The color is applied. So why we discuss the color? Because in the sample dashboard they used the letter concept. That's the reason we discussed about the letter concept. Okay. Define new one. Now this is the new window. Minimize this one. Go to your actual sample. So here they implemented the alert concept. Anybody missed? Okay. Hello, Vani? Vani? Yeah, what happened? Yeah. But whenever, yeah. Yes. So this is the alert concept. That's the reason we discussed about the alert concept there. So here, then see the output. The bottom, what I told you, the dials are representing the target value. So here, my Excel sheet nothing but shows spreadsheet. Same. Total value is there, target value is there. Total value representing as the your speedometer, nothing but gauge here. Gauge representation. And your target is going to represent as dial. Dials and gauges. Okay. Target value is the dial. Okay. Let me show that. Click on the output. Target value is the dial. What I am doing the target value? I am decreasing. I am decreasing my target. Your actual value is more. Then automatically the green area is increasing. I am increasing the target. Automatically the green area is decreasing. So in this way they are doing the forecasting. Okay. The reset button advantage here, if you click on the reset button, it is going to the starting values. So that is the output of the dashboard. Okay. Let's review how it was created. Here I don't know anything. What components are I don't know. Right click. Properties. What is the component name? What is the name of that component? Background. So we have to take first background. Okay. Background also they represented as some blue color. Okay. First what I need spreadsheet data. Where it is available? So first take the spreadsheet data. Import spreadsheet. Then my computer, D drive, this folder, this one. What if? Okay. Then the spreadsheet will be import here. Show spreadsheet. This is my input. This is also my input. These two rows are input. Show my workspace. First what I have to say? Background. To represent the backgrounds, we have a separate folder to represent the backgrounds. Different backgrounds are there. Just I am taking one background component. Okay. Background is taken. Okay. Increase the window as much as you want. Horizontally. Okay. Background has taken. Then what I need? I don't know. Go there. Select anything. Right click. Properties. What is that? It's a label. It is showing the name to you. The box name. That is nothing but it's a label. We need to take the label. To represent the titles, we have a text folder. There I have the label concept. Drag and drop the label. How to enter the data? Just right click. Properties. The name will be appear to you. It is taking defaultly label text message. But what message we have to enter? Revenue forecast. But the font is very small. What I told you, go to the appearance. If you want to change the text, color as much as you want. How much size? Give it as 20. 20 is enough. Okay. Now, so title also added. Now, go there. What is this button? We don't know. Right click. Property. What is that component name? It's a reset button. So, some extra options are available under other folder. There I have the reset button. Take that reset button. And we need the gauge and die. Those are belongs to single value folder. There I have the gauge representation. One for revenue, one for booking, and one for deferred. Those are the gauge representation. Die. One for revenue, one for booking, and one for Dial. I don't know how to map the data. No problem. Go ahead. So gaze 1. Title. Nothing but revenue. The actual data. Data is what I told you. For the gauges, nothing but total value. And scale limit. 0 is the minimum. 10,000 is the maximum because your total value near to the 10,000. That's the reason. That's the scale arrangement. That is the representation of the gauge. Okay, from here. Select that. Properties. What is the title? Belongs to revenue cell. What is the data? Nothing but your total value of revenue. That is E14 cell. Scale limit 0 to 10,000. Then automatically in your component the needle has switched to the 7,000 area. Now they apply the color. Go to the last tab, LS tab. Enable LS as a percentage of my target. Go to the last tab. Enable LS as a percentage of target. Click on the red arrow symbol. Then your E16 cell, E17 is nothing but your target. Then bottom you can give the percentage. As much as you want you can give, but generally high value should be displayed as a green color. Then the 70% to maximum is showing as green color. Lower values are showing as a red color. Yes, completed. That is for gauge. Then what about dial? Dial is nothing but my target value. Right click, property, data, nothing but target. Then the scale arrangement, data and scale arrangement 0 to 10,000. Close that. Completed. Come to the output. Review. The target value, which is a dial, I am decreasing. The color is switching. Now my target is 2,000 here, but my total value is 7,453. That means 70% to maximum. That should be displayed as a green color. Then the green area is decreasing. So increasing. If I increase the target, then the green area is decreasing. Increasing the target, decreasing the target. Then the colors are switching. Okay. If you want to go to the starting value, that is the use of your reset button. Click on that. It is going to the starting values. So that is the concept of that dashboard. Your bookings and defer you can do whenever you have the free time. So that is the dashboard. Yes, tell me. Yeah. So serious. Different options are there. Yes, I take the background as what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Different backgrounds are there. You can take any one, no problem. Yeah, I told you take the text. Take the input text. There you can add the title. There you can insert the picture also. Okay. Yeah. So this is the main one example and one more example. Create a new one. I need to say minimize this. So this is the empty window. Go to the folder. Yeah, this one is the, let's see that. This one also important one. Yeah. Select task as a builder. Click on that. Continue. See the output of this dashboard. Click on preview. We have two tabs. Okay. Tab 1, sales by branch. There I have your list of branches I have. What is happening? I am selecting the branch. The respective data showing as column chart. See that in the column chart, automatically the data is changing based on my selection. So selecting, the value is changing. Okay. So this is the concept of the first tab. Selecting and displaying. Same. Come to the second tab. Instead of a box, we have a pie chart. So selecting concept here. The respective data I am selecting, the respective data is shown. So how it was created? Go to the preview. First understand the spreadsheet data. Show my workspace. Show my spreadsheet. For two tabs, two spreadsheets are there. One is sales by branch. One sheet is the product detail. Sales by branch here. This is the data I have. This is the data. Different branches are there. The respective revenue from 98 to 04. That is the first tab. And the second tab, electronic sales. Pie chart. Always the pie chart means summarized data. Then selecting purpose, the detailed data has given. The detailed data is going to represent a column chart. Pie chart representation, column chart representation. Here, to display the branches, we have a box. Then the detailed data displaying as a column chart. That is the spreadsheet data we have. Then show my workspace. Let us suppose here you don't know anything. What I told you. Select that. Then right click. To inserting the tab wise, we have a, what is the component name? It's a tab set. Tab set has to be changed. Come to the empty window. First what I need? Spreadsheet data. Which one? 09. Select that. Open that. Then the spreadsheet data is open. This is the spreadsheet data. And what component I need? Tab set. Take the tab set. Try to display here. So if you want to add one more tab, you have the plus symbol and removing the tab, minus symbol is there. Like your series 1 and here we are inserting the tab. What is my second tab name? It's a product detail. But what about tab 1? Tab 1 name what? Sales by branch. Sales by branch. So tab 1, sales by branch. Try to increase the window. Okay. Tab 1, tab 2. Tab 1. What data they have taken? What components they have taken? What is this component? Right click. Properties. What is that? It's a list box. Label. All the branch names have taken. Okay. Each branch has row-wise the data. And the source data for all the branches. All the branches data has taken. Then the destination, please observe. Destination, I placed one default value, but you can take one empty value. Destination giving the empty row. Source is giving entire branches data. Okay. Destination has given to one empty row. The background has placed as yellow color. Nothing is there. Okay. Destination giving as a one empty row. Source data has taken entire branches data. This destination row is given to the column chart. Go to the properties of the column chart. Destination row. Only one series. The values and the name has taken from the destination row. Okay. The column chart inputs are nothing but your destination row only. When it comes to output, see now sales by branch, your column chart, nothing is showing because your destination row, nothing is there. When it comes to preview, that is output. What data is showing? Asset and row value. Why? Because your list box, what value has selected? Asset 10. Then automatically in that destination row from your source, this row will go to the destination level. That's the reason the data will be displayed. If you select a fragment, automatically fragment row will go to the destination level. So this is happening dynamically in the output level. That's the reason. Source data has taken entire branches. Then that row will go to the destination level. Destination has given the input to the column chart. So based on your source and destination only, this concept is working. So this source and destination is important. Source data is nothing but entire branches data. And destination has given to one empty row. Empty row you can take a default, you can take anywhere, no problem. So from the source data, whenever I am selecting, that row will send it to the destination. Destination has given the input to the column chart. That's the reason in the output level, from the source, I am selecting that branch. That branch will go to the destination. Destination has given input to the column chart. That's the reason column chart data is showing. So this selector concept is working based on your source and destination. So try to create as is. Here what I need, list box. To display the selectors, we have a selector folder is there. Take any one list box. Then what I need, column chart. Okay. List box and column chart. List box, right click, property. Forget about the title. Label, nothing but your branch name. That's be displayed as a list box. Then the branch names added to your list box. How the data is arranged? Row wise. Each branch I have one row. And the source data for all the branches. From A4 to up to H12. All the data has taken. Click on OK. And the destination, understanding purpose, I place it as the yellow color. And place is the one value. But you can remove, no problem. I need empty. It's okay. Understanding purpose, I place it as one default value. But you can remove. Just it's a destination. It's empty. Map to your destination. That destination is going to give to the input to the column chart. Select the column chart, properties, only one row, then automatically only one series. +1. What is the name? Take from the destination only or input. The name has to take from the destination row of the name. Value should be from B14 to up to H14. Understanding purpose, the title also you can take from the destination row. Destination row of the name. Click on OK. See the output. Then automatically whatever the value I am selecting from the source, then that value will be sent to the destination. Destination has given input to the column chart. That's the reason column chart showing the respective data. So this is one of the important concepts. Clear? Hello. Hello. This is the selecting concept. And finally, the maps. Here we can represent the maps also. Go to the maps. Same concept. Instead of a box, map has taken. Click on the preview. The previous example, a list box. Box has taken, the respective values are showing as a column. Same way, instead of the map, instead of the box, map has taken. The respective state is selecting. Can anybody set the respective state? Chippy, where you are staying? Okay. Yes. So can you select and respective state data will be displayed in your map. So this is a US map. You can take different maps of this. So instead of the same selecting concept, but map has taken. Click on preview. So they applied the colors also. That's the reason showing as different colors. So whenever the colors means there should be actual data and target data. This is the selecting purpose. Your detailed data is there. Collecting for all different states. For applying the electric concept, you have the actual data placed as a yellow color background, actual data and target data for applying the electric concept. These two are for your display data and target data. Display, target. This is the actual display data. The target data for applying the color. Your column chart data, yes. The detailed data, that is nothing but this is your source data. And the destination I have placed in the yellow color background. Okay. After understanding the spreadsheet, show my workspace, minimize this, open a new window. Review, open the new option, click on no. First import the spreadsheet. Which one? The map. Interactive map. Open. Spreadsheet data will be inserted here. To represent the map, we have a map folder. Different maps are there. We need the USA continental. Map has to take selecting purpose, column chart. The output data going to display as a column chart. Okay. Map, right click, property, same. What display data? For display data, this is the display data, nothing but your actual data. This is my display data. Then applying the color, go to the last tab. Enable the alert as a percentage of the target. Where is your target? This is my target. Source and display data and target data. Switch to the color. High value should be good. Colors are applied. If you want to change the percentage, you can change. 50%. Then the colors will be changed. That is for displaying an alert. Then what about the selecting concept? Source data, destination concept. Source data, this is the detailed data. Source, entire branches, entire source, entire state. Then the destination has given to the one empty row. If you want to give, you can give on default row, no problem. Then the x-axis label, if you want to give, you can give. Okay. What happened? Yeah. See the output? Column chart. Column chart input has to take from the destination row. By series, only one row, only one series. The values from C3 to up to H4. The name, destination row of the cell, that is D3. Understanding purpose, the title also, the column chart title, take from the destination row. Click on OK. Completed. See the output. Whenever I am selecting, the responsive state data will be displayed. Okay. So that is the use of this dashboard concept. Data for visualization. Okay. So that is the purpose the people are using this dashboard tool. Visualization mainly. Okay. And some people are asking about live office. Live office, it is not a tool, it is just a plugin to retrieve the data from either Webby report or Crystal report or Universe. That data I can directly take. That data using this live office plugin, it's going to convert it as Excel sheet. This is just plugin. Let me show that. I am creating a blank report. Can you see the tab name? Home menu, insert menu, page layout, formulas, review, view. At last you have a live office menu option. When I click on the live office menu option, that means I can take the data from the spreadsheet. Sorry, universe and what happened? Okay, it's not connecting actually. If I click on the live office, automatically here it should display the Webby, here display the Crystal, here display the Universe. Automatically I have to retrieve the data from the respective either Universe and Webby or Crystal. That data is going to place it as a spreadsheet here. Yeah, it's connecting. Then what I need? Authentication I need to the Universe. If I have authentication only, I can connect. Not only the Universe, your Webby report or Crystal report. Authentication is required. All the available units will be up here. Then next. Then take the required data. I'm just taking as a year and the sales revenue. So your Universe query panel is open. Next. That data is going to be placed here. Inserting the query from your Universe. Automatically the data has represented. Now, this data I can take, I can represent using my components. So that is nothing but a line chart. So drill down is nothing but in your pie chart. If you go to your pie chart, you are same tracking concept. If you go to the pie chart, you have a tab name. What is that? Insertion. See, there also same your source data and the destination concept. It's not enabling. Let me take the another one. If you take a pie chart, if you right click, property, you have a tab, drill down tab. You have to enable. Okay, first we didn't map the data. That's the reason it's not showing. If I have any data for this, yes, one moment. Yeah. In your previous example, let me open that. There they are already represented as a pie chart. The previous example, if you open that, your second tab, if you go there second tab, pie chart is there. Property, see the drill down tab. First to map the general tab data. If you go to the drill down tab, then